Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use Gmail offline mode on Chrome browser. So, first of all, set this feature up beforehand while connected to the internet. So go ahead to your Chrome browser and log in, of course, using your account. Hit the settings gear, the top right. Below, you're going to tap See All Settings. Inside, we're going to go ahead to the offline tab. Right? Check the box for enable offline mail. Right? And configure your sync settings. Right? Choose how many days of recent emails to store on your device, like 7, 30, or 90 days, and the security. After logging out of my Google account, please choose one of the following. Keep offline data on my computer, remove offline data from my computer. So that's really up to you. You can hit save changes, and basically that's it. Right? So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.